sports fans. I'm Paul Warshauer.
We're in town,
We're here to do the relay wrap-up.
and it's going to be a real wrap-up.
Now, Wayne, how many years have you been doing these blue and white war things?
Oh, this must be 28 now, I imagine.
28 years. Well, I've only had it about 20 years, so you are the senior anchor, and I'm just the junior anchor. And together we make one hell of a big anchor. All right, so were there any highlights today for you of the war?
Oh, yes, very, very, very definitely. I especially was interested in the nail pounding part of it, where they were pounding the nails into those huge blocks of wood.
Very big blocks of wood. We spared no
blocks.
expense to find the biggest, most onerous-looking blocks of wood.
Yes, very
Now,
definitely.
Was there a strategy to nailing and pounding?
Oh, very definitely. They had to hit the nail on the head.
On the head, and they did, I believe.
I think they did.
I think
yes.
one team was a little shaky.
Well,
They were bending the nail, and it wasn't
just a little.
just a little bit.
Just a little.
But that was a highlight for you.
Yes.
The highlight for me was the canoe marathon obstacle course, where two canoes went out in the water almost at the same time. There was a catastrophe immediately with the Sorkin team, who capsized just as they were trying to enter and exit the boat. The other team, very good, a husband and wife team, I believe the Levines from Chicago somewhere, and they jumped... Levines from Chicago. Thank you, producer. Levines from Chicago, and they had it together. They had practiced, I believe, in the early hours of the morning, and they jumped out of the boat. They got back in, but they had a problem because the steward, the guy who was supposed to be steering the boat, got in the wrong seat, and then his wife paddled to hell and gone. It was a tragedy.
Oh, yes, it was. Yes.
But they all ended about the same time.
But it was a wet tragedy.
A very wet tragedy. Thank you.
That saved the day.
It certainly did. And as usual, it was neck and neck. It went from the basketball to the archery, to the tennis, to the golf event, to the soccer event, and to all the other events that were just astounding. And it all ended up down here, right here in this lovely fireplace, where now we just see the remnants of glory.
Yes, glory.
Glory.
Glory,
and her
glory.
And her sister Mary. All right, and we are joined in a moment by two representatives of the fire building team. I believe it's Todd Laff from the blue.
White.
It's Todd Laff from the white. And Todd, why don't you come in and join us here in the booth? And we're going to be joined in a moment also by anchorman Larry Lipson. Todd, you were the winning team, I believe.
Yes, Paul. Thank you. Yes.
I'm glad you're on the show.
Thank you.
Can you tell us what the strategy was for building this miraculous fire?
For it to burn and then make the soap boil out. That was really the simple philosophy.
Yeah, well, that's the easy stuff. Now, we want to get into the nitty-gritty. Now, tell me about the strategy. You had a blowing strategy.
I had a blowing, wind-pushing, wind-breaking kind of thing. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, well, what happened was we were not the first. We were not the first to the fire.
That's true, Wayne. I believe that the videotape will show us
Yes.
that they were not the first to come to the fire, and yet you finished triumphantly.
And I think that fanning with the board,
Yes.
and it got all the way through his body, and the people behind him seemed to enjoy it so much.
Watching his backside shake
Yes.
with that
Well,
board at the front.
That's right.
Yes,
I didn't
that's right.
start the fire, but it was always burning since the year was turning, and I just had to flame it. But I had a little bird.
What?
Known as Mike Lurie on my
Yes.
shoulder, who said, "Build around it," and then I fanned, and that.
So if
that
you
was
build it, they will burn.
We were hoping, yes, and it did happen.
But you did. You stacked the wood very carefully in a kind of a geometric pentagonal kind of thing around the can of the can of liquid.
That, as well as I was hoping to God I didn't knock the damn can off.
Well, that's what we were hoping too, was, naturally.
So-
but that was a great stratety, a very great strategy.
We just jumped ahead while it just burned, and our main fire maker, Steve. I don't remember the hell his name is. He's really the one.
Steve who?
Exactly.
Right, okay, thank you. I see Jeff Levine is joining us now from his busy duties. Jeff, I'm sorry you didn't save the day, but
No.
Can you tell us what was the story? What was going on? You arrived first. You had all the good cards going for you.
We did, and we couldn't start a fire.
Why? What happened?
Wet
wood? Dull wood?
I think the wood was wet.
Yes.
One could say it was dull.
Yes. One could say
One
that.
could say that. One could say we had a lack of air.
Lack of air.
And that didn't work to our advantage.
You didn't look like you were blowing a lot on the fire.
No. We
blowing
learned
blowing
quickly
here
from the
at
other
Camp
team that
Wapaka.
blowing was a pivotal element
But you seem to be missing in the blowing department.
Yes, we're not good blowers.
Okay, well, that's...
And the needles, the pine needles,
Wrong call.
they were dumb. They were
Yeah,
dumb.
we
They were dumb.
we had a whole tactic going in, and it didn't work.
Did you test the pine needles out of curiosity? We test them, actually. We
Oh,
tested to see.
you see, we didn't know that we were allowed to use.
Well, now, hold on.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Now, one moment.
if they
Are you
actually-
telling me that you had a pre-testing of the pine needles?
No.
I think we're going to have
Wait a second.
we're going to have to do a pine test.
We used
We're
the
going to have
pine
to
needles.
pine test all of these boys.
No, we checked the rules, and it wasn't. No one said that we couldn't see if it would burn or not burn.
Where did you perform this?
While we built it.
Oh, you mean while you built the fire?
Yeah.
So there was no pre-testing involved.
No.
Okay,
no.
well then I think Wayne, we can say
That is a relief.
now.
That's
Would
why,
you,
if you know, if you went to
can
leaf,
you
we turned the-
imagine
the catastrophe?
Yeah.
Oh.
We turned the leaf.
We'd have to run the whole thing over again tomorrow.
Yes.
God, no.
The whole thing over again with the
Every
same
bit
exact
of it.
people at the same exact time. Hello, how are you, sports fans?
It's nice to see the fans.
Yeah, well, they're walking right through our show here.
the one.
The one fan. Yes, thank you. Whoopee! Say whoopee.
Whoopee.
Thank you.
There you go.
That was a
Now,
lot of
Wayne,
enthusiasm.
perhaps you can explain the challenge rule, or what was it called? We decided it was the protest rule. Thank you, the protest rule. What was the official protest?
Well, I guess we made it up as we went along.
Well, yes, but if he said that they were testing pine
It
needles
was confirmed that they were actually lit a match prior
to the
to the event itself.
Nobody had matches prior.
they could protest.
You had a lighter.
Nobody-
You smoked cigarettes.
I would never have allowed
You were a part of the fire
of
building
the other
team.
team. Now wait a minute. So
we have
Wayne,
to
the
check the
protest
film.
we understand has to occur within
And you
24
were smoking cigarettes earlier in the
I
afternoon.
was not.
Mr. Levine.
Yes.
I
We
deny this.
understand, Wayne and I, now that the rules have been created, that there's only a protest element for 24 minutes, I believe. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Larry Lipson, assistant
Is that the
referee.
statute of limitations?
Yes,
is
I believe
24 minutes?
Larry joined us.
Yes, I had raised this issue earlier to see what the statute was, and I think the 24 hours was shortened to 24 minutes.
I believe that's
Right.
correct. And the three referees are here. We confirm.
But we are still awaiting the results of the steroid and drug tests for the winning team, and once we have those confirmed to be positive,
Look at this guy.
Then they will be
My
officially declared the
testosterone level
winners.
is naturally high.
Your
That's
testosterone.
what
Whatever.
Orlando said.
They're way up there.
You have one ball? you
I have
two?
a basketball, football in the car, and I have a hard ball.
There you go. 3 balls. So there's no waiting. All right. So I believe in Toto, to sum up, it was a great game. I believe the winning results are right here. Please hold for one moment as I check the official rule book. White finished at 38 minutes 50 seconds. Blue finished at 43 minutes 45 seconds, making it a differential, a very, very small differential of 4 minutes and 55 seconds, as we've heard because of the pine needle incident.
It was a wrong call.
It was a wrong call. Now, how did you start your fire again? I'm
Next time
sorry.
we'll
Well, we
have to
did have
remember
pine
that.
needles in there, but we realized that when we kept trying, it wasn't starting, even though they were the first, and then we realized the leaves seemed to be starting to be burning a little better as we were trying to light it.
So you use leaves, you use pine needles. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back in 5 years for the next version of Relay Wrap Up.
All right.
That was hysterical. Thank you.